starting the vlog. Going to the snow, boys. Excited?
Auntie, would you be the
You good, bro?
That's your snow.
Yeah. So everyone says like his money in a book.
Yeah, so we made it.
We out in snow. Yeah.
They were roommates. Yeah, let's do this. Go for it, bro. Epic fail. Man, it's snowy outside. Yeah, we're out here.
Yeah, we are out here actually. Doggy.
Did you good?
Yeah.
We're chilling, right?
Oh, big chill.
I'm not sure. It's a good question, though. Shit. Damn, bro. It's fucking freezing out here.
It is freezing out here. That place is like trampling.
All right, so we're about to go sledding. I mean, we're gonna go.
No, we're about to go sledding. Right. Wow.
Yeah.
Wait. Holy shit. Jack
Yeah.
Frost looking at us.
We're in the middle of the blizzard.
Hi.
Yeah.
Welcome to Russia.
Dude.
There are very few things I can feel right now. I feel like dying. That motherfucker from Into the Wild, I understand you now.
AP English. Yeah, we're in the middle of the storm. We're in the eye of the storm. No, we are in the storm.
We're in the fucking storm.
Yeah, look how covered I am. Gonna go tubing third round.
Third round, brother. Last time was terrible. Face first.
Yeah, I felt Jose.
Felt Joss had pushing my sleigh.
All right, how we feeling, Al?
Oh, we feeling energized for round 4.
We're sitting down. It's hella cold. Blizzard's out. That looks really aesthetic. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah.
Honestly, going down back roads is some high-key awesome shit.
I'm not sure if I should. Nah, I don't want to record. I don't want to lose the fun. Always I would record though.
Bro, you get a GoPro.
Dude, honestly, next year. But yeah. Fuck. All right, we're about to hop off. Bro, I hit my head. All right, so I hit my head on the way down.
We both went down that shit.